Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy spell token. Now before that, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Now before investing in any crypto or token that you find on my channel, please do your own research. But before going on buy this token, please make sure to check their X account and keep following their post about their token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on CoinMarketCap. Go and find this token there. Now just click on search here and type spell, as you can see. So this is our token. Now click on it. So after that, click on markets here and you will be able to see that available on multiple exchange platform. So select one of these exchange platform. If you don't find your exchange platform here, just switch between this page here until you find yours. Now after you find your exchange platform, for example the Mixi, now click on pair here and you will be able to direct you to Mixi accounts. Now log into your account and go here on buy here, as you can see. So select the limit of the market is the same. If you select the limit, just type how much you want to buy of the token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of USDT to be able to buy this token. If you select the market, just drag this to set how much percentage that you will use of USDT that you have on your account to be able to buy this token. After that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy spell token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.